Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from beautiful Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much center strip here. Today we're going to visit the Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino. The Cosmopolitan Resort opened on December 15th, 2010 and is located just south of the Bellagio on the west side of Las Vegas Boulevard. It's owned by the Blackstone Group and operated by MGM Resorts International. The resort consists of two high-rise towers, the Boulevard Tower and the Chelsea Tower, both of which are 603 feet tall. The $4 billion project features 3,027 rooms, a 110 square foot casino, 300,000 square feet of retail and restaurant space, a 40,000 square foot spa and fitness facility, a 3,200 seat theater, and a 150 square foot meeting and convention area. In 2013, the hotel was rated the best hotel in the world by GoGoBot, and in 2015, the resort was named to the Condé Nast Traveler's Gold List as one of the top hotels in the world. Sounds pretty impressive. Let's check it out. We're starting off here on the third floor, and we'll work our way down to the casino, but what looks like a pawn shop here is actually Beauty in Essex, the restaurant lounge, which offers unique sharing plates and new twists on classic cocktails in a speakeasy setting. This third level at the Cosmo features all restaurants, and here we have Red Plate, a Chinese restaurant, and right next to it Scarpetta, the Italian restaurant here at Cosmo. This is Jaleo bringing Spanish cuisine to this restaurant League of Nations here on the third floor. Down this unmarked hallway is Secret Pizza, really no longer a secret anymore. They're offering up some pretty decent pizza here on the Las Vegas Strip. There is a very small secret lounge in this hotel, and it's pretty much kept a secret till this day, and well, we'll discuss that a little later. In the meantime, shh. This is Blue Ribbon bringing true American cuisine to the Cosmopolitan with New York flair. I'm not sure what New York flair is, but I'm sure I got some. Zuma serves up modern Japanese cuisine and award-winning cocktails in an elegant and sophisticated environment. This is STK, some people call it steak. It's your typical steakhouse, however, it's got a sexy, energetic dining atmosphere. These retro cigarette dispensing machines are throughout the hotel. We'll see a few of them, and they actually dispense art these days. We're on the second level. As I said, we're working our way to the street level where the casino is, but right now we're on the second level, which has some more restaurants, a little more casual, and some shopping as well. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. At the center of everything here at the Cosmo is the 3-story Chandelier Lounge, one of the most popular lounges here on the Las Vegas Strip. Like I said, 3 stories offering 3 unique experiences: a high-energy hotspot, a sophisticated cocktail haven, and an inviting lounge. This is Egg Slut serving up, well, eggs. Hey, if you're ever looking for me, don't even bother looking for me in there. This is Holsteins Shakes and Buns. Shakes and Buns sounds like a new dance, doesn't it? Anyway, I've eaten here at Holsteins. They serve up a darn good burger, and that video is available here on the New York channel. Actually, I've eaten at several places here at the Cosmo. All those videos are available, as well as my room when I stayed here. That video is here. Beautiful balcony with views of the Bellagio fountain next door. Here's an art piece made up entirely of Cosmopolitan room keys. And speaking of doors and art, the Cosmopolitan has the best collection of Do Not Disturb signs I have ever seen. They're all very unique. Every door seems to have a different one on it as you walk up and down the hotel hallways here. And here's just a sample that they've blown up and turned into art. This is Block 16. It's kind of like the Cosmopolitan's food court, only it's not like a food court at all. No Subways or Nathan's here. Here we have individual restaurants serving up very unique items in a super casual atmosphere. I think I've eaten at every single one of these. All the way in the back here, what looks like a fire exit is actually that second super secret location I was telling you about. It's called and they serve up. Sorry, I've been sworn to secrecy. Hey, if you're digging this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel. That's what keeps this channel going. Go ahead, do it right now. Thanks. As I said earlier, the Cosmopolitan is made up of two towers. The Boulevard Tower, which is located right on Las Vegas Boulevard. That makes sense. And all the way back here is the Chelsea Tower, which doesn't make too much sense, but it is what it is, right? As you can see, lots of art back here, but not much else, and that's because, well, this is the business and convention area of the Cosmopolitan, but there are some very important things back here, including, well, the elevators to the Chelsea Tower, which is half this hotel, and the Wicked Spoon, which is the buffet the Cosmopolitan is known for. Opium is a wacky adults-only outer space show from the creators of Absinthe over at Caesars. It's a kind of crazy show, and it's been described as Rocky Horror Picture Show meets Buck Rogers and exploded in Captain Kirk's pants. Now you get what the show's all about, right? We've made our way back to the central area of the Cosmopolitan. We just passed the Marquee nightclub and day club, and as you can see, there's more shops around here. Hold on tight. And we've made it down to the street level. This is the front desk or the reception area of the Cosmo. This is the Henry, known for their French toast. It's kind of like diner food, only much better. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.